Data generally contains noises, missing values, and maybe in an unusual format which cannot be directly used for machine learning models. So data pre-processing is a required task for cleaning the data and making it suitable for a machine learning model, which also increases the accuracy and efficiency of the machine learning model. So first we need to import the corresponding libraries and then we need to get the data. So like if we know that where is the data set is available, from there we take the data. So I'm showing here some sample program. In this we are picking the import numpy as nprnm, and then the corresponding matplotlib is coming the for the taking the diagrams or charts of it, and then pandas is very much required. Once we import the data through the pandas pd.read underscore csv, it is not only limited to csv, other forms also can be taken like excel sheet or directly importing from the website path, or locally if it is other form, right? CSV, Excel, Parquet, like with the other formats also will be available. So from here, once this one is available, the data is available like this. So particular data set is visible like this. Once it is coming here, we need to apply the methods like missing data, like we need to find the missing data, we need to fill the missing data, or remove the records, or imputing the record, encoding the categorical data. As we discussed in other videos, encoding is again label encoding or one hot encoding. So like that, so here the whatever the categorical data is there, the corresponding one number will be coming. Either it is ordinal number or any based on the encoding method whichever you use. And once that is there, split the data set into then training set and test set. After that, the last step is the feature scaling. Feature scaling is that whatever the dependent variable or like independent variables, right? One should not dominate other with its scale. So we apply the feature scaling so that all are falling under the same category, so that it will be reflective of the features. Like it will have similar representation of all the features. So this is where we are ready with the data pre-processing. Once this data pre-processing, we are ready for the training.